First and foremost, I think the application characteristics really stand out. You've got a water acrylic formulation, and that's going to allow you to have easy cleanup, but then the flow and leveling, the smoothness of the application are going to enable you to really hone in on getting a fine finish on the door and trim, woodwork, all of those kinds of things that you're doing. In terms of the caulk interaction, we had done an extensive amount of testing in-house with different caulks, different product. What we have found with the variability of caulk is for the best outcome to mitigate risk is to prime and seal the caulk before the application of Artistry. So with a wet film thickness, generally we're shooting for between 4.5 and 6 mils. Obviously overbuilding that because of the flow and leveling built into this product. If you get too far out of that high end, you could have some sags. Obviously under building it is going to give you problems with coverage. But if you stay in that recommended film thickness window, you're going to see some really nice results. So in terms of the in-can viscosity, one of the things that you'll notice when you have the can open is there's some good body, some good creaminess to this product. I would definitely recommend not thinning the product. It was designed with a rheology package to give you the flow and leveling you need. I really think for your best finish, the fine finish low pressure is going to give you the best finish and the most control while you're applying the product. When applying this film, brushing and rolling, as mentioned, it does have enough open time to work it, but as with most of the door and trim enamels, it does dry fast enough that you're going to need to be careful not to come back into a drying film. We've seen the best results out of having a properly primed and prepared surface, and that'll give you more than enough open time to do what you need to do, but you'll just have to keep moving along and keep your wet edge.